What legal issues arise in sports video production and music rights? Imagine capturing the thrill of a game or the roar of the crowd on camera, but suddenly facing a legal hurdle you didn't see coming. That's why understanding the legal side of sports video production is so important. When creating sports content, many legal issues can pop up, especially around copyrights, licensing, and rights of publicity. First, the footage you record during a game is protected by copyright law. The rights usually belong to the sports leagues, broadcasters, or media companies that produce or buy the content. If you use clips without permission, it's considered copyright infringement. This means rebroadcasting, making highlight reels, or using parts of the game in other videos needs proper licensing. Photographs taken during sporting events are also protected. The photographer or the company that commissioned the photos owns the rights. Using these images in ads, social media posts, or other videos without permission can lead to legal claims. You need to secure rights or licenses before including such images in your content. Music is another big area of concern. Whether it's theme music, walkout songs, or background scores, music rights are protected by copyright law. Using music without the right licenses can lead to legal action. You must negotiate licenses with music publishers or record labels to use their music legally. These licenses often specify how long you can use the music, where you can use it, and how much you need to pay. Athletes' images and personalities are protected by rights of publicity. This means you cannot use an athlete's likeness for promotional purposes without their permission. Even if you have footage or photos, using an athlete's image to endorse a product or in merchandise usually requires a separate license. This is especially true for endorsements, merchandise, or video games featuring athletes. Team logos, slogans, and branded merchandise are protected by trademark law. Using these trademarks without permission can lead to infringement claims. To include team logos or slogans in your videos or merchandise, you need to get a licensing agreement from the trademark owner. Negotiating licensing agreements is a key part of a career in sports video production. These contracts specify how long you can use the rights, in which territories, and how much you will pay. Proper contracts protect you from legal trouble and ensure everyone's rights are respected. Sharing clips or highlights on social media also comes with legal risks. If you post content without permission, you could infringe on copyrights or trademarks. Platforms may remove your content or even take legal action. It's important to understand platform policies and secure rights before sharing sports clips online. Professionals working in sports media need to work closely with legal teams or intellectual property experts. Knowing about copyright laws, licensing processes, and rights management helps you produce content legally. It also shows respect for the rights of athletes, teams, and content owners. In summary, legal issues in sports video production and music rights mainly involve copyright protection, licensing, athlete and trademark rights, and digital sharing rules. Mastering these areas helps you create content that is both exciting and lawful. This knowledge is essential for building a successful career in sports media and broadcasting.